Please, today Magnolia provides us with another easy and delicious recipe that your family can enjoy anytime, any day. Chef, ano itong hinahanda natin?
Ito ang chicken with dairy cream rosemary sauce. The delicious and creamy margarine preferred by discriminating moms, ideal for sandwich and meal preparations. Ang Dairy Cream Classic ay may delicious creamy taste that the whole family will surely love. Dairy Cream, pinipili ng mapiling ina. Yung chicken natin, we'll just season with some salt and some pepper. Pan fry our chicken using our Dairy Cream Classic margarine. So, antayin lang natin na mag-brown yung ating chicken. Sibuyas. Vinegar. And our 1 piece of rosemary. Tapos isi-simmer natin siya hanggang medyo maluyo yung ating mixture. Tsaka natin i-add yung ating Dairy Cream Classic margarine na pa konti-konti while whisking. Ubuhos natin yung sauce natin. So yun, ito na ang ating chicken with Dairy Cream rosemary sauce.
Salamat sa pag-share mo ng recipe natin. Alam, napakasarap na ulam for the family. Kaya tutok lang for more easy and delicious recipes ng araw-araw. Sarap Magnolia!
Ang bahaging ito ay inhatid sa inyo ng Magnolia.